In this video, I will share with you how to edit your website header in Hostinger Website Builder. First, go to or visit hostinger.com, then click on login to log in to your Hostinger account. After that, go to websites and select websites list. And next to the website build using Hostinger Website Builder, click on this edit website button. And now let's start customizing or editing this website header. First, click on your website header like that, or the header section. Then click on edit header button. The first thing you can customize is making your header sticky or not. And by sticky, I mean sticky when scrolling. This is a sticky header. It sticks to the top, and let's uncheck it like that to make it non-sticky. After that, you can edit the element spacing or spacing between these links in your shopping icon. You can also edit the spacing between links just like that. I I prefer them close to each other. You can also edit your header top and bottom spacing. Personally, I prefer compact headers. And here you can also edit your header placement or order, or elements order. You can make your logo in the center like that. You can make these links close to the logo, or make the logo and the links in the center. Personally, I prefer this centered logo. And from this elements tab, you can show or hide multiple elements like your logo, your social icons, these social icons, this big button. I recommend you to use this button for driving your website traffic to the most important page of your business. And by business, I mean your website. So let's say that you want to collect your website visitors emails or email addresses. Here you can customize this as, for example, join my newsletter, for example. After that, you can also show or hide this little shopping bag. This is useful to show it. Personally, I prefer to show my logo, this big button, and the shopping cart. These social icons are not that interesting for me. My website should have social icons, but not at the top of this website. Now let's go to the logo tab, and from this logo tab, you can select between making your logo. And from this logo tab, you can select between image or text for your logo. You can even use AI to create a unique logo. Let's click on it. This new page opens up. Here, for example, you can create a logo using AI, and here you are using your credits, your Hostinger credits. Personally, I prefer to create my logo myself using simple text. As you can see, Hostinger, which is a big company, is using its company name as in the text format. So this is my website name, handcrafted goods. You can pick a color from here, from this little window. I will go with black. You can also your slogan here. You can add, let's think of a slogan for this website, handcrafted goods. I can to be unique. And for the font family, you can select it from here. Since this is a handcrafted, I'm looking for a text font that is close to handcrafted theme. I think this one is good. Now let's click on download. Let's open, or let's unzip this handcraft. This is a favicon, and this is the logo. And here I will return to the website builder, click on replace image, I hit upload files, and select my logo. Double click it. and just like that it is. Let's click, you need to click on select photo, and you can also adjust your logo width from here. This is the correct if you make your website bigger, this results in a bigger top and bottom spacing. Let's return to the first or to the layout page. I can still customize it or make it a little bit bigger. That's all for the logo tab. Let's jump to the shopping bag tab. Here you can shopping, or let's call it cart, or view cart, and you can also select or edit your icon size. I think small is good. Now let's jump to the style tab, and from this style you can edit the style of the header. For example, the header background, let's pick this, let's keep it white. You can also go with transparent header, but this most of the time transparent header does not give a good user experience. You can also edit the text font from here. Let's go with Oswald regular. As you can see, the links text font follows your selected. Let's go with this Noto Sans TC. You can also edit the text color from here. I want to go, you can select white, and for the header background you can select black, and just like that you can edit the contrast of your header. My bad. I've made a mistake and I've returned to the start of my editing, so I will quickly redo my editing. Now let's edit the style of just this bigger button. Here you can edit the button text, for example, join my newsletter. You can link to a page of your website, just select it from here, or use a web address, for example, for external pages, or even a link to your page. You can even link to a phone number, file download, or email address. You can select between opening this link in a new tab or not. For no follow, this is an SEO settings. To keep your backlink juice, it is better to go with make this link no follow. For the button background color or the fill color, you can edit it from here. Let's go with I think the orange color gives trust to your business. I think, I'm not sure. This is why the buy now button on Amazon use this orange color. The text color, since I went with the orange color, so this text I will go with black. You can also edit the text size. You can edit the button border color. I will keep it white and adjust the button border width. Corner radius, you can edit the corners shape of your button. I think I will follow the Amazon shape. And now this is for the normal state. If you want to edit the color that shows when you hover with your mouse over the button, switch from normal to hover. And now edit the button color. I think I will go with a slightly different orange button. As you can see, now it is good. I will also edit the text color, keep it black. like that. This is good. And for the border, I will keep it the same. Now I think that's all for this header section. If you want to also edit this top bar section, this one is simple. Just double click on this text and you can fill in your text by typing on your keyboard, and here you can edit your text color, your text size, your text font. You can even upload a font from your computer. The font size, you can make it, you can 20%, let's make it bold, just like that. You can make it italic, underline it, and so on. You can even add a link to this announcement. And to edit this top bar or announcement bar background, instead of selecting the text section, click on the side right here. You will see this editing section. You can even hide this or edit this section or this announcements bar visibility for mobile or for just the desktop. I will keep it visible for both mobile and desktop. You can delete it from here, but in my case I want to delete the background color. I will select this yellow color. You can even use an image, but I will go with a color. And for the layout, you can edit this announcement bar height. Let's update my website and see these changes live. This is my new section: the announcement bar, the centered logo, the links, the view cart button and text, and this big button newsletter. And this is how to edit your website header in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.